English sentences for daily use. 20 sentences that we use in the kitchen. What's for dinner tonight? What's for dinner tonight? Do we have all the ingredients we need? Do we have all the ingredients we need? Can you pass me the salt, please? Can you pass me the salt, please? How long does this dish need to cook? How long does this dish need to cook? Can you help me chop these vegetables? Can you help me chop these vegetables? Do we have any leftovers in the fridge? Do we have any leftovers in the fridge? Can you turn the oven to 350 degrees? Can you turn the oven to 350 degrees? I need to thaw this chicken before cooking it. I need to thaw this chicken before cooking it. Do we have any gluten-free options? Do we have any gluten-free options? How do I make this recipe? How do I make this recipe? Can you please wash the dishes? Can you please wash the dishes? I will set the table for dinner. I will set the table for dinner. Who wants to help me with the dishes? Who wants to help me with the dishes? Can you please boil some water for me? Can you please boil some water for me? Can you help me carry this pot to the stove? Can you help me carry this pot to the stove? Can you please pass me a fork and knife? Can you please pass me a fork and knife? I need to preheat the oven before baking this dish. I need to preheat the oven before baking this dish. Do we have any vegetarian options? Do we have any vegetarian options? Can you please take out the trash? Can you please take out the trash? Let's enjoy our meal together as a family. Let's enjoy our meal together as a family.